Alright, I'm going to do a quick video on decontamination of packages. So, a quick thing to think about is if you're getting mail, you're getting packages delivered, these things can potentially be contaminated by whoever was handling it before you. So what you're going to want to do is completely spray the outside of the package with some kind of decontaminating solution. You can either use Lysol, alcohol, some kind of diluted bleach solution. But you're going to want to cover the entire, saturate the entire box with whatever you're using. And if you can see, you're going to want to get it like that. And you're going to want to be wearing gloves and a mask. And you're going to want to flip to every side. And another thing to consider is just leave your package on the front porch for a couple of hours before you pick it up. And you're going to want to cover every side of it, and you're going to want to let it sit out here. Another option you can use is some kind of a Lysol or some kind of a spray. It can make it a lot easier. You're just going to want to saturate the entire outside of your package. Both sides. And you're going to want to let those sit for a while, and I'll finish up here in a minute. Alright, so after letting those boxes sit for a little bit and letting the solution actually get a chance to kill any live virus that might be on the outside of your package, now we're going to want to open this thing and decontaminate the inside, because you don't want to bring this into your house now and then open it and contaminate your house. So safely watching your fingers, the last thing you want to do is cut your finger opening something like this and then potentially infect yourself that way, or then have to go to the hospital. So be careful. Now take consideration not to breathe in. Make sure you have a mask and goggles on. And you're going to open. And you're going to spray the inside with whatever you choose to use. It can either be something like that. Make sure that it has some kind of designation that it kills 99.9. Either some kind of bleach solution, diluted, alcohol, something like that. So we're going to spray down the entire insides here. And mind you, this is sealed food, completely sealed within its own packaging. So you're going to have to take into consideration what you're spraying down also. This is just some extra stuff I'm ordering last minute to add to the pantry. Alright guys, now you're going to let that sit out here for a while and let it do its thing. And the same thing is going to go for packages like this. After they're decontaminated on the outside and had a chance to sit, you can open the insides, remove the contents, spray them down. And you're going to want to let them sit out here. So this is what we're doing in order to keep our house safe and not let any virus inside from potentially packages, mail, and everybody's handling this stuff. This stuff was all handled. All this stuff was handled by people and put in these packages. So something to think about, guys. Take it easy.